Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about SHIBA price prediction and SHIBA news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for SHIBA in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what SHIBA INU is. The SHIBA INU aspires to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. SHIBA INU with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo INU, Giant Alaska INU, LOS, and the Alaska Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a SHIBA INU breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the SHIBA INU website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. SHIBA INU paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of SHIBA have never collaborated before. We love SHIBA INU dogs. Today we have prepared news about SHIBA cryptocurrency. SHIBA INU burn rate jumps over 6,700% after $745 million SHIB burn. Popular meme-inspired cryptocurrency SHIBA INU, $SHIB, has been seeing the rate at which its tokens are being burned skyrocket after over 745 million tokens were burned in only 24 hours. The figure saw SHIB's burn rate jump over 6,700%. According to data from burning tracker SHIBburn, the amount of tokens burned over the last 24-hour period saw the meme-inspired cryptocurrency's burn rate jump 6,700%. A large share of the token burn came from a SHIBA INU-related service called @SHIBA, which shared a transaction on the Ethereum blockchain showing they burned little over 400 million tokens. Similarly, another SHIB community-related project shared data showing that they burned a total of 300 million SHIBA INU tokens over the past few days. Token burns, it's worth noting, are made by sending SHIB to inaccessible addresses, effectively removing the tokens from circulation. According to available data, a total of 410.30 trillion SHIB have been burned since the cryptocurrency was launched. Initially, SHIBA INU has a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, but 50% of them were locked in a smart contract to provide liquidity on decentralized exchange Uniswap, while another half were sent to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Buterin took a large amount of SHIB, at the time $1 billion in the cryptocurrency, and donated it to the COVID Crypto Relief Fund in India, along with significant amounts of other meme-inspired cryptosats including Elon Musk. The Ethereum co-founder then grabbed around 90% of the SHIB tokens that were donated to him and burned them in a transaction that removed over 410 trillion SHIB from circulation. The SHIBA INU community has since bolstered its efforts to burn SHIB. These include burn parties organized by bigger entertainment and companies using part of their profits to burn tokens. As CryptoGlobe reported, the team behind SHIBA INU recently announced the launch of a token burning portal that is set to help the cryptocurrency's community burn tokens in an effort to reduce its circulating supply. The burn portal is set to make it easier for the platform's users to regularly burn SHIB, effectively reducing its circulating supply. Token burns are popular in the cryptocurrency space, increased demand. Burning like a boss. SHIB's highest burn observed back in August, September, and October, peaking at 9 billion SHIB. But ever since November, the exact figure slipped to 1.1 billion, owing to the lack of activity from investors, after SHIB fell by 74%. Now, the current month saw a significant increase in the said activity. According to the Twitter page of SHIBburn Crypto Tracker, the SHIB army burned close to 700 million SHIBA INU tokens burned in the past 2 days. In fact, just a day ago, a total of 401,471,262 burned as a part of this drill. Earlier, @SHIBburn also tweeted that 303.6 million SHIBA INU were sent to incinerator wallets or dead wallet. Overall, the sum of SHIB burned in the past 2 days amounted roughly 707 million SHIB tokens. Who's buying? Well, the dominant whales mostly. The first whale that purchased 420 billion SHIB made 2 large transactions. The first transaction was worth $4 million 3 hours before the second one of $7.3 million. According to a recent tweet shared by WhaleStats platform, a whale named Gimli had the most number of acquisitions. SHIBA INU ownership was highly concentrated. The top 10 addresses hold a whopping 64.7% of the token supply, while the top 100 hold 81.2%. As a result, despite a 21% surge over the week, SHIB suffered a fresh 3% price correction in 24 hours. At press time, the token fell to $0.00002. In fact, according to data from CoinMarketCap, the number of on-chain addresses holding SHIB has declined by over 60,000 within the last 2 weeks. SHIBA INU ownership was highly concentrated. The top 10 addresses hold a whopping 64.7% of the token supply, while the top 100 hold 81.2%. As a result, despite a 21% surge over the week, SHIB suffered a fresh 3% price correction in 24 hours. At press time, the token fell to $0.00002. In fact, according to data from CoinMarketCap, the number of on-chain addresses holding SHIB has declined by over 60,000 within the last 2 weeks. In this video, we will raise the following question: will SHIBA INU return to all-time highs? SHIBA INU continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, SHIBA INU recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. SHIBA INU is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of SHIBA INU as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, SHIBA INU payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for SHIBA INU growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, SHIBA INU, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that SHIBA INU's maximum price could be up to $0.000035